Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to change letter case in Microsoft Word Online. First, you need to select the sentence or paragraph and then hold down Shift key plus F3 and it will change to uppercase. Then again hold down Shift plus F3 and it will change to lowercase, and again hold down Shift key and press F3 and it will change to each first letter of each word capitalized, and then again Shift plus F3 and it will change to capitalize again. You can also change letters case from here. If you want to change uppercase, you will get, and if you want to change to capitalize each word, and if you want to toggle this, so that is how it is easy to change letters case in Microsoft Word Online. Please subscribe the channel and thanks for watching the video.